Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the very final stages of this HVAC rodent repair. We ran the engine, we bled the cooling system, we refilled the R1234YF AC system. Now, let's get into the interior of the vehicle. You remember how it looked before? Well, we were never there. Customers' fingerprints are still on the screen, all their dirt is still in the glove and in the cup holders. Everything looks like it was. I did make some marks on the A-pillar up here. We cleaned them. All the HVAC controls work, all the buttons work, all the illuminations work. No DTCs in the system. All the boxes of parts, or empty boxes I should say. All the old Gugats out of the vehicle. RIP in the chat. Now let's go to the preventative measures. We did not give the customer a cat, no. Now what we did was, we have a 3-layer defense system here. Now we have one layer of, I want to say, 1/4-inch chicken wire. Then we have some screen mesh. And then we have another layer of added chicken wire. We also mounted some self-tapper screws. And we put some touch-up paint because it became bare metal. So now that'll stay in place. I don't think they'll chew through that. I really don't. I don't want to do this repair to this vehicle again. We have little things we still have to do. We have to put this back in. We have to install the wiper cowl and the wiper blades. But we're pretty much done here. Car's smelling good, or at least the HVAC's smelling good. Now, when I'm done, we'll send it over to detail, and this customer will be very happy. If you guys don't know what to do yet, that's what you got to do to your HVAC. And if you don't know what else to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further corrosion and rodents.